Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2021 Forestriver Salem FSX 178BHSK Platinum Edition travel trailer. We're going to take a few minutes and walk you around the inside and then back to the outside of this small RV. Alright guys, we're now up inside this new Salem FSX trailer. And we're going to start looking at the back section here and then kind of spin around throughout the RV here. You saw on the floor plan that was just up there, this is a bunkhouse travel trailer with the Murphy bed kind of setup deal. So in the back corner back there, you have two double bunks. So you could sleep 2 to 4 people back in just those beds fairly comfortably depending on the size of the people. Now on the top bunk area, there are 2 windows and they both open. And there's USB charger port there as well. Down below you have a single window along with a USB charger port. And down below that is storage. Now just to the right of the bunk area is the bathroom area. And it's a decent sized bathroom for a small RV like this. Up above the shower you do have a little vent and a fan built in. Has a traditional shower curtain and bar. Medicine cabinet over here on the right. Little electric outlet there, small sink, and some storage down below in the cabinet area. And traditional RV toilet. Spinning back around here, looking toward the front side of the RV. See the U-shaped dinette there. Does have some storage underneath, and that U-shaped dinette does actually fold down, make into a bed, so you could sleep a couple people there if you needed to. Large window overlooking the back side of the RV, and it does open about 50%, so you can get a lot of airflow through there. And it even has a pull down blackout shade for privacy. Now to the left here on this wall is your furnace control, a USB charger port system, electric outlet, and then up above there is TV hookups along with an electric outlet, and it is also pre-wired for Wi-Fi. They do a pre-wire to the roof for a King Wi-Fi system that you can add on aftermarket if you want. Looking up top here, you can see there's a roof vent in the middle and also the Coleman air conditioner there as well. Now looking toward the front of the RV, we have the sofa up at the moment, but it does again fold down into a camper queen bed. Above that is storage, and to the right of that is also a little hanging closet. Now on the left wall below the window is a USB charger port. On the right wall is also another USB charger port and an electric outlet over there. A lot of vinyl floor in the coach, so no carpet, pretty much just all vinyl floor through here. You can see your furnace right down there. You have some storage below the sink area, little drawer that pulls out, and a 2-burner gas stovetop. Then you also have your large sink here with the high-rise faucet, little window overlooking the campsite area, and a traditional microwave and some storage beside. Now refrigerator wise, they are currently using a 6 cubic foot gas and electric refrigerator. Currently this is the Norcold refrigerator, but it does work on propane or electricity, either one. Just below that is the electric box with your breakers and fuses. But sleeps a lot of people. Lightweight unit, easy to tow around. Little slide out does give you some more floor space in case you're stuck in here on a rainy day or something like that. Don't feel real claustrophobic for a smaller unit. We're going to close this up also at the end of the video and show you what it looks like closed and how it works. We're going to run outside here, show you around, and we'll be right back. Alright guys, we're now back on the outside of this little Salem FSX trailer here. And we're going to start here in the front section. Up front, you have a manual tongue jack, 20-pound propane tank, place for one battery on the front of the unit, which it does come with one deep cycle interstate battery from Couch's RV Nation when you purchase from them. Safety chains, 2 5/16 hitch ball, 7-way Bargman plug for your wiring and brake hookup. There's 4 scissor jacks on the unit, one on each corner. There's a spot here on the front side for a plug-in of a portable solar panel if you wanted to do some sort of portable solar. Power awning with the adjustable arms for tilting and water runoff, and it has a built-in LED light strip that you're seeing there. Another thing that's kind of nice too, these awnings have a shock arm on them to help them dump water off. So that's a pretty cool little feature there, just to kind of help hold them up, but also allow them to compress when their water gets too heavy on them. Now, if it gets too stormy, just put it away so you don't get real damaged, especially if it's super windy, but it does have the ability to dump off water if needed. Double entrance step going in and out of the coach. And just in front of the tire down there, you can kind of see the little white thing sticking down. That is your fresh tank drain. Just above that is your fresh tank fill up, your 6-gallon water heater, the furnace exhaust. You have the large folding entry handle there to help you get in and out. Now next to that is also the model number. Again, this is the BHSKX model. The X on the end of it is for the Platinum Identification Platinum package, which is the fiberglass exterior. Normally this model comes standard with metal siding, and that would be called the 170 BHSK, no X on the end of it. Single axle unit does have brakes. You have a small outdoor kitchen right here, and that basically gives you a little refrigerator and a little griddle. Now the unit does have air conditioning, which you've seen when we were inside, but you can somewhat see up there that white box on top of there. That is the air conditioner up top. Typical 4-inch square tube bumper on the rear. Great place to store dump hose. You could mount like a small bike rack or something like that on there if you wanted to. Spare tire mounted on the back. Outside utility shower, hot and cold water feature right there that you're seeing in the video. And it is pre-wired for backup camera up there. Some customers like to do the backup camera, some like to do the observation. I definitely recommend the observation so you can use it while driving down the road. I definitely like that safety feature better. Over here on this side of the unit, you have your cable and satellite hookup right there. You have your dump for your gray and black tank right there. And then your detachable power cord hooks up, along with city water and black tank flush right there as well. Now this customer chose to do the slide out awning topper. So that is an awning that comes in and out with a slide out, and basically just kind of helps keep the rain, leaves, twigs, debris, stuff like that off the top of the room. So a nice feature to add. And you can see the 2 little silver tracks on the side of that slide out right there. That is a Schwintek slide out system. So it is a motor gear system. Now it does basically push button in and out. You'll see when we close it up here shortly. But you can also manually push it in and out in case of an electronic failure. The little motors pop out and you can push the slide out in. Storage on this side here, nice big deep storage compartment going all the way across there. Then you're also going to see pop up here your weight stickers. Gross weight, unloaded weight, tire stickers, that type of stuff popping up right there. So pretty lightweight unit. This is able to sleep quite a few people. It's lightweight, small footprint, fits into a lot of the old style campgrounds and stuff that can't accept big RVs. So definitely a nice little unit to hook up to and do a little weekend camping and stuff with and travel around. Again, guys, check out Couch's RV Nation. They are one of the largest internet wholesale dealers in the country and are definitely going to save you guys a lot of money on a new RV. Thanks again, guys. Alright guys, we're back inside the RV now here, and I wanted to show you what this looks like closed up. So basically, again, electric slide room. So you just push a button and the slide out goes right in. Nice and easy to do. So it comes right in and stops. Now one of the things I really like here is you can actually still get in the camper and use it. So if you stop at a rest area, Walmart parking lot, something like that, you need to come back here, you can still come in and get to your bathroom. The kids could still come in and lay down and take a nap if you needed to rest for a little while or something like that. Same thing up front here again. You could get to your refrigerator, you could get to your stove, your cabinetry, all that type of stuff right here. So it is a little tight, but it is still functional. Even the bed, if you needed to make your bed, you can still function that way. And then taking it back out is simple as well. Forgot to mention earlier, but right up here on the side of the cabinet is where your water pump, water heater switch on gas, light switches, awning in and out button, monitor panel, all that stuff's right here, along with your slide out button. So basically, again, all you got to do is push that button and your slide out goes right back out. But again, the nice thing I like about this is it is functional closed. So if you did get to a campsite and say this slide out broke, it would be inconvenient, but you could still actually use the camper and not ruin your whole weekend. Again, it'd be tight and inconvenient, but you still could use the camper if you needed to. Hopefully that never happens to you, but that is a nice thing. If it did happen, it is functional. It's not a total useless camper where the slide locks everything out. So, again guys, I appreciate you taking the time to watch the video. Check out Couch's RV Nation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications on new videos, guys. Appreciate it.